guys, welcome back. We just wanted to apologize for not posting in a really long time.
The reason why we weren't posting was because of school and religious reasons, and also the weather change. But we just wanted to thank you guys for sticking with us and being patient.
We have a guest with us today who's going to be dancing, so everyone welcome Mitzi! So this is one of our best friends and she's going to be dancing with us today, and we hope you enjoy it. So let's get started.
Ya burrena idide jala la lonin kaba biyan be kulon tuna bede ya burrena idide jala la lonin kaba biyan be kulon tuna bede kanu barsifate abban kenya fulla muta nagada tunu gorse kanu barsifate abban kenya laal safu kam nagada nu gubbis galgala chipsati de hotenya Sibuda dengala bade wara dokse galgala chipsati de hotenya Sibuda dengala bade wara dokse Anuba tutongala batu agabaji leolani silawa largana ramani ashake warke managa asimbasani Kitofariti urgama matejala lafariti saone folini bite gugu lufewa kajalala sibja changaba ole nolini Gadi soda jala kantenu jala lamalele jibbambelu jila tore ko basa Bidu khenne toche badasa Gadi soda jala kantenu Jala la malele jibbambenu Jila tore ko basa Bidu khenne toche badasa Dambalo babuna Ya dambala ja dambal jataku Yo horsi fadan akka warra jilagi Yo bareedan akka durba jilagi Yo horsi fadan